asking that how is your husband doing. My husband is not doing very well. He has induced Parkinson and induced dementia, and everybody is busy in looking at the elections result, and I have voted for Rasulullah or Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and my husband cannot go to vote, and there was no possibility that, if he can, I can vote for him because he has a, and I am his legal representative. So anyway, the doctor has approved his primary physician has approved for physical therapist, PT and OT, and nobody is coming. He's at home health. So what does the insurance Kaiser wants? Do they want to put him on hospice? Which I will never, never, never allow that. So what kind of health system is this, President Biden and Madam Kamala Harris and President Trump? Like, I want to bring you all to your notice that is it the care of healthcare, and that's why I voted for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and we are direct descendants of of our Prophet Abu Bakr Razi Allah Anna, and my dynasty is Alim dynasty, and we are founders of Islam. So I voted for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and I'm praying for my husband, and nothing is happening. And just see how my husband, is lying down. Mustafa, see him, how he's lying down. Mustafa, say hello. Mustafa, Mustafa, say hello. Yeah, just see how he is lying down. And he needs movement. I just do this, he needs movement, and he needs home help. And where is the home health? This is the kind of system you guys are having, and it sucks. That's why I didn't vote for any candidate. I voted for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And see my husband Mustafa, there were a lot of beatings and butchering of both of us. Because of that, he could not hold up, and he has induced dementia and Parkinson, and lot of pressure was put on his head. He cannot take it, and he cannot move. So what is going on, and I don't want to put him in nursing home because he got lot of beatings at nursing home. Having said that, folks, and everybody knows that. Having said that, folks, and also when I need grocery, I have a camera and I go and do the grocery and come back. This the resources, and Mustafa gives me permission to go, although I don't have to ask him permission. And many people were harassing me on that. Having said that, folks, cheers and bye bye.